If you do something small every day, your life will never be the same. Consistency is the bridge between dreams and reality. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore one of the most underrated yet most powerful forces in human success: consistency. People often think success comes from big, dramatic moves, the breakthrough idea, the overnight transformation, the sudden inspiration. But the truth is this: success is rarely about one giant leap. It's almost always about small steps, taken every single day, without fail. The hidden power of consistency. Consistency means showing up even when you don't feel like it. It's writing one page a day, going for a short workout even when you're tired, saving a small amount of money regularly, or practicing your craft daily. The world doesn't reward intensity, it rewards consistency. Anyone can be motivated for a day, a week, or even a month. But can you keep going for years? That's the real question. Think of it like compound interest. Just as your money grows exponentially when invested consistently, so does your personal growth when you invest in yourself daily. Real-life examples of consistency. Stephen King, he writes every single day, even on holidays. That's how he produced over 60 novels, many becoming global bestsellers. Serena Williams, she didn't become a champion overnight. Her greatness was built through thousands of hours of consistent practice. Warren Buffett, he reads for hours every day. His fortune didn't come from sudden moves, but from consistent, disciplined investing. Kobe Bryant, known for arriving at practice hours before his teammates, shooting hundreds of extra shots every single day. What do they all have in common? Consistency beats talent when talent doesn't stay consistent. Why small steps matter? Let's do a thought experiment. Imagine two people. One decides to improve just 1% every day. The other stays the same. At first, the difference is almost invisible, but after 1 year, the person improving 1% daily is nearly 37 times better than where they started. That's the math of consistency. Small steps may not feel like much in the moment, but over time, they compound into extraordinary results. The struggle with consistency. We all know consistency is important, so why do we fail? We want results too fast. We live in a culture of instant gratification. We underestimate small actions. We think this one workout won't matter, or this one skipped day won't change anything. But it does. We lack systems. Motivation may start you, but only systems keep you going. How to build consistency, practical steps. Start small. Don't aim to change your life overnight. Begin with a habit so small it's almost impossible to fail. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you're working toward. Track your progress. Write it down. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. Remove excuses. Make it harder to fail. Prepare your gym clothes the night before. Put your phone away when writing. Celebrate small wins. Every step counts. Acknowledge it. The mindset of consistency. Consistency requires patience. You won't see results right away, and that's okay. The magic happens invisibly. Seeds grow underground before breaking the soil. Trust the process. Remember, consistency is not about perfection. Missing a day won't ruin your progress, but quitting will. The long-term payoff. If you stay consistent, your health improves, your skills sharpen, your confidence grows, opportunities appear that you could never have predicted. Success isn't an event, it's a lifestyle. It's not something you chase, it's something you build brick by brick, day after day. So here's my challenge for you. Choose one small habit today, just one. Commit to doing it for the next 30 days without fail. Watch how your life begins to shift. Remember, dreams don't work unless you do. And the work that truly matters is the work you do consistently. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and success will not just be possible. It will be inevitable. Was this video inspiring for you? Drop a comment below and share the first small step you're committing to today. I'd love to hear your journey. And if you enjoyed this talk, don't forget to hit like, share it with a friend who needs motivation, and subscribe for more powerful content designed to keep you consistent and unstoppable.